In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your alerts, which is on this screen here, as well as your maintenance light, which would be right here. This one actually doesn't have it on, but it's really easy to get to. You'll use the buttons right here on the side. There's a square and a circle. You'll just tap the square one until you get to this menu. I know that's hard to see. Then you'll push the circle one. You'll go down to maintenance, push the square one again, and then you can go to tires if you need to reset that, filter if you need to reset that, which these are all off on this particular vehicle. That's how you would reset it on here so it wouldn't show on your dash. Now when you come here, it's actually going to still be on here. So if you take it somewhere and you're still getting this alert, what you'll need to do is press your info button. You'll go here to maintenance, and then you'll see these right here, and these are the alerts that you're getting, and depending on what it's set at on your particular vehicle, this one is set at a little over 6,000. I believe that's almost 7,000 that it's set at. So all you have to do is just click each individual one, reset it, hit the back button. It's really easy. Just reset each individual one, and you won't, this will take off the notification that you'll get here, because again, you can reset it on the dash side, but you'll still get the alert on this side if this hasn't been reset. So that's all you have to do. And again, this is a 2020 Nissan Armada.